guys, I have something really exciting to share with you guys today. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I ended up scoring a couple pieces from the Murakami multicolor drop part 2, and let's go ahead and unbox those. Let's do it. I have some pieces here. I'm really excited to share them with you guys. So first things first, I first want to shout out my CA Val. She's LVX Val. I'll put it here on Instagram. She's great. She helped me secure so many pieces in the past, even my my multicolor pieces that I have, my my white Speedy, etc. She's helped me secure all those, and I'm really grateful. So other than that, like, let's get into it, because I tried these, like, these you just have to see these two. Like, I'm in love, absolutely in love. We gotta get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm really like super excited to show you guys these. So I obviously have a smaller item, then I have a big item. So let's go ahead and get into the smaller item first. So when I ordered this, originally when I first saw this in the first drop, I was like, take it or leave it. Really didn't have to have it, but when I got my my white Speedy, I was just like, okay, I need something else to jazz this up. So I was really excited to go ahead and bite the bullet and order this one. So without further ado, I did not get the cute wrapping paper, but it's okay. But I'm glad I secured the goods. I got the white multicolor bando. Isn't it beautiful? I think the details on this, guys, is just like top tier. Like, look at the, if my camera will focus, that would be great. But you can go and see all the different colors. It's just really exquisite, the colors here. And my plan is, of course, to accessorize my white Speedy with it. Originally, I wanted to keep the key bell like on my Speedies, but as I've kind of like really leaned into my charms and buying new things for my bags, I've kind of like gone away with it because I just have so many other ways to accessorize. It just kind of doesn't make sense. So I just think that this on it is going to be like so tea. Like, let me work on this and then get back to you guys. Okay, so I got it on. Of course, I'm gonna kind of tuck this tag or snip it just like a little bit, but of course, like a picture without the tag, but look at that. Absolutely exquisite with like my T-charm, and I think like the newspaper flowers. This is a Kate Spade charm, by the way. I think that looks absolutely exquisite. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. I think this is like definitely a hit. Like, I love this piece. Like, so glad I got it. So glad. Like, for the spring, this is gonna be just the it bag. Super pretty. Even with the strap, I think it's gonna be great. So I'll stand up and let you guys see it with the strap. Okay, so this is it with the strap. So with the top handle strap, I just think that looks like really cool. Of course, I'm gonna snip this, so this is gonna go away. So kind of picture without that. I think this looks really cool, like super fun, funky. I've definitely done a great job of making the Speedy my own with my T-charms, but I think this is gonna be very chic, very pretty. I love it. Like, for the spring, this is gonna be beautiful. Love. Like 10 out of 10. Glad I bought it. Okay, so for the next part of my unboxing, sorry about that, guys. The next part of my unboxing that I'm really excited about. So without further ado, of course, these, like, guys. And I got ribbon this time. Like, are you kidding? I didn't get anything last time I bought. Last year's drop, I got nothing. I got ribbon. Like, if you look at that, The packaging is so pretty. So pretty. I love it. Got ribbon this time. Of course, like a little, whatever that is. Did not get a special box, but you know. As you can tell that it was a lift off box. So this is obviously these are obviously shoes. I did not get special wrapping paper. But what I did get, drum roll please. The black pool slides. I think this slide is so like chunky and fun, and the colors are just beautiful, and the stitching and everything on this is super well made, and then like the Velcro, so you can obviously take them off, and they're lined with leather. These are just so fabulous to me, like for the summer. I can't wait. I've worn, I don't know if they're up here, but my Bom Dia flat regular monogram slides, I've worn them into the ground. They are my die-hard favorite shoes. Like in the summer and the spring, you have to put a gun to my head to stop me from wearing them, I swear to God. This is just like a good fun alternative, and I love that it's black. I love that it's leather, and it's so well made, and with the silver detail, it's just something so different, and there's just super cute on foot. I'm gonna show them to you guys right now. But like the detail in the shoe, I'm gonna show you a little bit more so you can really get into it. So great. So tea, so great. Love this shoe. Okay, so this is what they look like on my foot. So on my foot here, if you guys can see, so you can kind of like undo the Velcro and adjust it how you like. So if you have wider feet, you can do it a little looser. If you have more of a narrow foot, you can obviously undo it and make it tighter. I love these. I'll put the other one on just so you guys can see. So it kind of gives you an idea. So you can undo them there, put your foot in, and there you go. And so this is what they look like. And I love these. I think they are so cute, so tea for the summer, super comfy. Definitely gonna be wearing these out very often. I love them. Like they're just so cute. Love them. Okay guys, so those are both of my pickups from this year's Murakami drop. So we have the flat black pool slides, which I love. And of course, my white bando, which is on my Speedy right now. So these are kind of like my two must-have pickups from this year's drop. I just love them, and I think that these are great. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. You know we love to do unboxings over here, and of course there's always more LV unboxings to come. Yeah, so bye.